Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of this site called Coursiv.io. Alright, so Coursiv.io is a tool that helps you build online courses. You don't need to know any coding, which is great if you're like me and just want to make things simple. So when I first opened it, the site looked super clean and easy to use. Big buttons, clear menus. It's not confusing at all you have to do is just sign up, click create course, and boom, you're already starting. So one thing I really liked is how fast it is. Okay. So you don't have to wait around for pages to load. You can add your videos, write your lessons, and change the layout without anything breaking. And that's a big win. They also give you templates, so if you don't know how to make things look good, no worries. Just pick one and go. It also makes your course look professional, even if it's your first time doing this. Now let's talk about the pricing. There's a free plan, but it's pretty limited. So if you want to sell courses or use custom domains, you'll need to pay. It's not super expensive though. And honestly, for what you get, it's not a bad deal. But hey, I gotta be real. There are still a few things that could be better. Like the quiz feature is kind of basic right now. So if you want more advanced stuff like certificates and drip content, you might feel it's a little too simple. But overall, though, if you're just getting started or you want to launch a course fast without tech headaches, Cursive IO is actually pretty solid. All right, that's it for this review. If you're thinking of trying it, go mess around with the free version first and see how it feels. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch up with you guys on the next one.